मायनॉरिटीजाचे जे क्रायम जाता ते वाडत आसात आनी ते बंद जावपाक जाय. हें अशें जायना जालें पयलीं फक्त एकठांय रावताले आमी जावं मुस्लीम हिंदू क्रिस्तांव. सो आयज आमची एक गरज आहा ती मायनॉरिटी कमिशनराची. सो एक डिमांड आहा आमचो जावचें कित्याक कसल्यो केसी क्रायम जातात त्यो रिपोर्ट करून ताका जस्टीस मेळपाक जाय म्हणून.
Today we can see that the BJP clearly has an agenda to divide and create hatred among one another, and it's their IT cell that is doing it. Today in society groups, the BJP people are sending messages, clear messages saying that Hindus cannot be terrorists, where Catholics and Muslims also are staying. So this is the agenda where they are trying to create a divide among the Hindus, Muslim, Catholics who are staying under one roof.
एकूच डिमांड की हे जे पळय कितें ताका म्हणटा राजकारण पॉलिटिक्स जे पळय चालू आहा दिस हे आमकां गोंयकारांक सोपना. आख्खे इंडियेचो आनी संवसाराचो लोक गोंयां येवपाक सोदता. कित्याक काय दे आर व्हेरी जेलस ऑफ अस. वाय
जेन्ना जेन्ना कितें अशें जाता तेन्ना आमी आसतात आमचे गोंयकारां पासत आनी आमच्या सगळ्या लोकां पासत. आज ही सॉलिडिटी मिटींग जाल्ली कित्याक मायनॉरिटीजाचे जे क्रायम जाता ते वाडत आसात आनी ते बंद जावपाक जाय. हें अशें जायना जालें पयलीं फक्त एकठांय रावताले आमी जावं मुस्लीम हिंदू क्रिस्तांव. सो आयज आमची एक गरज आहा ती मायनॉरिटी कमिशनराची. सो एक डिमांड आहा आमचो जावचें कित्याक कसल्यो केसी क्रायम जातात त्यो रिपोर्ट करून ताका जस्टीस मेळपाक जाय म्हणून. आज आख्ख्या इंडिया चलयलें जाल्यार एवरी डे कांय कितें ना कितें इन्सिडंट जायत आसतात आनी तांकां जस्टीस नाय. जस्टीस म्हळ्यार सगळे ते विटनस आहाय ते पळोवन दवरता आनी कितें क्रायम जाता त्यो फाल्यां दोन माद्रीचे जाल्ल्या त्यो दिसत्यो जाल्यार कोणा सांगला म्हणून जाल्यार थंय खूब नासतना कांय नासतना असल्यो जायना जावपाक आयज अवेरनस जाला जी मिटींग जाल्या ताका सपोर्ट करपाक आनी एक आमचो डिमांड आहा आमचो मायनॉरिटी कमिशन जावचो.
तुम्ही हो डिमांड हे असेंब्ली घाललो.
सो आमचो हेणे आमचो एमएलएन घातलो गुरुवारा मेन्शन केला तो. सो आयज मुखारी आमी हो प्रोसेस करतले डिमांड घालपाक आमकां असेंब्ली.
It is good to see that the community, the minority community from all over Goa have come together for only one reason, is to inform the CM of Goa, do not do just lip sync kind of promises. When we as Goa have always been united and we've always stayed together, whether it's Hindu, Muslim, Christian or any type of religion. Today we can see that the BJP clearly has an agenda to divide and create hatred among one another, and it's their IT cell that is doing it. Today in society groups, the BJP people are sending messages, clear messages saying that Hindus cannot be terrorists, where Catholics and Muslims also are staying. So this is the agenda where they are trying to create a divide among the Hindus, Muslim, Catholics who are staying under one roof. So this is what we want to say, that when Father Stan was arrested, he was arrested on what grounds? On being an anti-national. All the work that he did was he created services for the Dalits group and fought for the Dalits. In the end, what happened? As a Catholic priest, he died in prison during the COVID time. So this is what we want to show, that we as minorities, we are always there helping the poor, we are always there reaching out, giving education. Now the BJP is unhappy because if people get educated, they will stand and they will fight back, they will question back. So they do not want the people in remote places to be educated. But I am thankful that all the priests and the nuns devotedly fight against this kind of ruthless elected representatives where they get their hooligans and try to pressurize. The nuns and the priests are not afraid. As Jesus died on the cross, we are all as Catholics, so anyone who has any faith in their religion will stand by their religion if they are doing something right. And I thank the nuns and the priests for doing the services for the people, especially the poor people, giving them food, giving them education, giving them shelter, giving them jobs, which our government is not doing. You do that and then you will see everything falling in place, because you are not doing it, they are reaching out to us. So thank you, be strong, and we are there with you in heart, soul, everything. And those two nuns who are there, the FIR should be withdrawn by the people who have registered. Thank you very much.
हांव कुट्टोरेसून येयला स्पेशली टू शो माय सॉलिडॅरिटी फॉर दीस मीट and to the two nuns who have been arrested in Chhattisgarh. As Cecil has said, this arrest or this FIR has to be withdrawn. One. Point number two. आमच्या लोक जायते कुटरेसो आज येयलोले कडेन हाय फकत एकूच डिमांड की हे जे पडे कितें ताका म्हणटा राजकारण पॉलिटिक्स जे पड चालू आहा दिस हे आमकां गोंयकारांक सोबना आख्खे इंडियेचो आनी संवसाराचो लोक गोंयां येवपाक सोदता कित्याक कळ्ळें दे आर व्हेरी जेलस ऑफ अस वाय बिकॉज देर इज युनिटी अमंग्स ऑल द रिलिजन्स ऑफ गोवा be it Hindus, Muslims, Catholics and any other religion and they are jealous of us and they want to destroy this unity. I have come in solidarity for this meeting, especially for the nuns and to the people of Goa to show them that we are united and one in this matter. Thank you.